Good morning, children. It's nice to connect with you all again through this video. For today's English class, we are going to learn a new topic. Previous class, we learned about IR and UR words. We'll call them as sound words, right? Yeah. For today's class, we are going to learn about another grammar. So what are they? These words are very familiar to you, children. Yeah, they are an, and the. An, and the. They also called as articles, right? They also called as articles. Let's see a few examples. So what is an article? First we learned what is an article. So an article is a word that comes before a noun. We all know what is a noun. Noun is nothing but naming word. Look at the first picture. A boy, a bee, and an apple. So before boy, bee, and apple, we used an articles, right? What are they? The boy, a bee, and an apple. So let's see how we can use these articles before a noun. What are the rules behind that? Now listen to the examples. Now what is this? This is a flower. So this is a flower. Now here a is an article. Next we'll see what it is. Yeah, this is an orange, right? Yeah, this is an orange. An is an article. Now look at these sentences. This is a flower. The flower is red in color. This is an orange. Now you can ask me a question. What question? Miss, in the first sentence you said a flower, but in the second sentence you said the flower. So what is the difference between a flower and the flower? Let's learn briefly about that, children. Now what article it is? Exactly, it's a. So when we use a, when a noun begins with the consonant letters. Children, you all know we have 26 letters in an English alphabet, right? So out of 26, there are 21 letters. We'll call them as consonants. These are the letters. So when a noun begins with these letters, then we'll use a in front of it. For example, a pearl. See, P. P is a consonant, so a pearl. Then a deer. Okay, a deer. A deer. So a is a article. A beetle. A. So B is a consonant, so we use a as an article in front of it. Then a cow. C is a consonant letter, so we used a cow as an article. Let's move on to an article. So when we will use an, exactly, we have used 21 consonant letters from 26 letters from English alphabet. Now the remaining 5 letters, we already know that these letters are vowels, right? So an is used in front of the noun which has vowel sound as a first letter. Okay, now what are these letters? A, E, I, O, U. So we all know the vowels, right? Say once again. A, E, I, O, U. So we use an in front of a noun which begins with these vowel sounds. Let's see a few examples. An aeroplane. So an is an article. Then an elephant. So E is a vowel and an is an article. An orange. O. O is a vowel letter and an is an article. An ice cream. So it begins with I, so we used an ice cream. Then an umbrella. So U is a vowel letter, so an umbrella. So we have learned when we should use a and when we should use an in front of the noun. Now see articles a and an. So it is used in front of the singular noun. We saw only an orange, an umbrella. Singular means only one thing. Okay, not more. It's not a plural noun. It is used in front of singular noun as well as general things. It is used in general things. Okay, children. So when we use the articles a and an, we use in front of the singular noun, and then we use for general things. To represent general things, we used the articles a and an. Next, now look at this example. What is this? Yeah, you can see a food stall, right? So that is a stall. So we used a as an article for stall, right? So that is a stall. Now look at this example. There is an umbrella on. So an umbrella. So in front of umbrella we used an as an article on the stall. Here previously we saw a stall, but in this picture we saw the stall. Why we are using the stall? Let's see the use of the article in the sentences, right? When we use the in front of the noun, so when it talks about the particular thing, then unique things and plural nouns. So we use the article in front of the noun which already spoke about. When it comes for a second time, we already said that is a stall and there is an umbrella in the stall. So already we spoke about the stall. So when we are using for the second time, we will say the stall. Second things are unique things and third one are plural nouns. Let's see examples for all these things. First thing talks about the particular thing. So what is that? Same example, I'm just giving it for you. So there is an umbrella on the stall, right? So already we know there is a stall. Again we are going to mention something about the stall. So we use the stall. The next thing, we saw about the unique thing, right? So the earth, the sun, the moon, the sky, the stars. These are the unique things where nothing can be replaced. There is only one sun, there is only one earth, nothing can be replaced. So there are only one thing. So they are very specific. So in this category we use the in front of the noun. Let's read one more time. The earth, the sun, the moon, the sky and the stars. Okay, now let's move on to the third thing. When we use the in front of plural nouns, first we saw about the specific thing, particular thing. Second, we saw that we should use in front of unique things. And third thing is before plural nouns, we use the article the. So what are they? The erasers. Okay, if it is single eraser, then we'll say an eraser. But because it's a group of eraser or two more than one erasers, we'll say the erasers. And again, the bicycles. There is 4 bicycles, so we'll say the bicycles. The ostriches, right? So how many ostriches are there? There are 3 ostriches. We'll say the ostriches. So children, I hope you understand the use of articles in front of the noun. We say singular noun and general things for articles a and an, right? And in case of the article the, we use, when we'll use it talks about the particular thing, unique things or in front of plural nouns. Thank you children. I hope you have understood the use of articles in front of the noun or else in any sentences. I encourage you to play Kahoot along with this video lessons. Thank you children. I'll see you in the next class.